Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's Mary here, and I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use the dark mode function on WhatsApp. So when you click on the WhatsApp application and it turns white like this, and you wish to make it black, how do you do this? You scroll down at the top right, you access your control center, and then you just click on this icon here, which will now switch from dark and light mode on WhatsApp. If you don't have this icon here in your control center, you simply go to settings, you scroll down to control center, which is below general here. And then here, you just add this to the menu in your control center. After adding it, you can just simply access it here and just turn it on and off. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.